What is going on, everybody? Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I want to show you how I use Market Chameleon to do two things: sell options for income. I'm gonna give you one or two examples for next week so you can collect some income up front, as well as dividend capture strategy so we can actually collect some dividend on a weekly basis. And if you are using Robinhood, there's no commissions to actually buy or sell the stock, which is always a good thing, and you can just buy the stocks one day before the ex-dividend and sell on the ex-dividend day, and you will still be eligible for the dividend. So let me show you how I use Market Chameleon software to do exactly that. So let's get started. So let's do one example that people love, of course, Tesla. How can you not? Price today $880, up almost 8%, $880. And let's see what Market Chameleon gives me. It gives me this trade, expiry January 15, next Friday, guys, okay? Next Friday, a week from now. What does it tell me to do? Tell me sell put 805, okay? Sell put 805, buy put 800 for next week, for January 15. Collect upfront a credit of $75. Here's the kicker: instead of $29 upfront. So Market Chameleon telling me, so for this specific spread, sell 805, buy 800, I get to keep $75 instead of $30. That's my edge. I also have a 94% win rate, and I win if Tesla, my max profit, I get to keep $75 as long as Tesla stays above $805, which is about 10% down from here by next week. My max loss is if Tesla goes below $1,800 by next week, and then I will lose 805 minus 800, that's 5 times 100, 500 minus my income minus 75. My max loss is $425 for every $75 that I make. So do, I don't know, 10 of those, you collect upfront $750 for every $4,250 that you risk. And as long as Tesla stays above 805 by next Friday, you get to keep your $75 or $750 and anywhere in between. You do not, I repeat, you do not need 100 shares of Tesla for $88,000 to sell credit spread. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of people will tell you you need 100 shares to do covered calls, okay, secure port. True, but to do as credit spread, you don't need anything. You just need to have the balance between this and this. 805 minus 800 is 5 times 100 because it's options. $500 in your account. You don't even need 500 because you collect 75 up front. So you need in your Robinhood account, for example, $425 to collect $75. If Tesla goes up to 1,000, whatever, Tesla stays the same, or Tesla dips all the way to 805.1, you still make $75. Let's click the report and see exactly visually. So I just click report again. Tesla 808, bull put spread. This is the trade, expiration January 15. Buy the 800 put, sell the 805 put, collect $75 as credit. We are right here, guys, right here. That's where we are. 880. You see, I'm already at max profit of $75. That's what I love Market Chameleon. They're telling me the best trade by edge. I got 94% win rate, 94, 96%. And as long as Tesla goes up 900, 950, $1,000, doesn't matter. You see that Tesla at over 1,000, I still get $75. And as long as Tesla goes all the way down to like 806, I'm still profitable. And my max loss, if Tesla goes below 800, 799, something like that, my max loss, you see, 425. No matter what, it's still gonna be 425. If you wanna risk, I don't know, $2,000, put 2,000 and you collect 75 times 5. That's $350 for every $2,000 that you risk. That's the trade of the week. Let's go over dividend capture strategy. Yeah, so I'm in the dividend capture strategy screener for Market Chameleon, and I did this screener by yield for the next 7 days. The ex-dividend, remember, you need to have the shares of the stock 1 day before the ex-dividend date. If you hold it only, if you buy on ex-dividend date, you will not get paid. I repeat, you will not get paid. You need to have the shares 1 day before the ex-dividend date. Let's see if I see something interesting here. Show Communication, that's a Canadian company, paid monthly 6.6%. Ex-dividend is on January 14, so you need to have shares of SJR right here on January 13, and you're gonna collect 0.098 cents per share. And let's see if we got something else. Here we go. ABBVIE, 4.8%. That's the ticker symbol ABBV. Very famous pharmaceutical company. Again, go ex-dividend on the 14th, so you have to have shares on the 13th of January if you want to collect the dividend of $1.30. You can click here and see a little better. There we go. ABBV. Price of $107. Okay, 52-week range between 60 and 109. Next dividend January 14, $1.30. So for every share that you hold, you get $1.30 as long as you have shares on January 13 by 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 day before the ex-dividend. Very important to know about the ex-dividend. If you want to check Market Chameleon, in the description below, 7-day free trial. After that, price goes to $99 a month, and I'm very happy to pay that on a monthly basis. If I bring you guys any value, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and I hope this bring you value this weekend. Hope that Tesla will not go below 800, so I will collect credit spread. I didn't do this trade. I might do it on Monday. Just show you that you do not need 100 shares of Tesla to make money on Tesla. You don't. You can sell credit spread and buy some dividend, dividend capture strategy, Market Chameleon, subscription, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. Yeah.